Yeah, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you on what we call refactoring. So we want to refactor our code into the function. We want to refactor every one of our codes that we have here, and then we want to place them into the function.php. To make our code kind of readable and also to optimize that particular page. So that's what we're going to be doing in the course of this. So firstly, I've kind of started this. So if we go to function.php, I kind of started this with the select all. So that particular feature that we have here, fetching out the data that we have, the ID that we have from the database. So I did that. I refactored that into the function.php file. Okay, and today I'm going to be doing the same thing for this particular update code that we have here. So firstly, I'm going to use a feature here. So we're going to divide the screen, and I'm going to take this function.php right here. Okay, so now let's move on. So the next thing we're going to do here is that I'm going to create a function. I'm going to create a function here. So we have function. I'm going to give it a name. So we have update table will be the name of the function. So I'm just going to put in the color bridge there. So now I'm going to cut out everything that we have here. Okay, just follow my lead. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so we're cutting everything that we have here, but you're going to leave the if statement. Okay, so we just come down here, all right, and paste it right here. Okay, so one thing, what's going to happen is that whenever this particular code is triggered, okay, so we're going to call the function. So update rule, we're going to call the function here. So the moment this is triggered, it calls this function and it responds to this function here. Okay, the response here. So once this is triggered, the call function is activated. Okay, it's called and the response comes from here. So that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to have here, we have update table. Okay, so we'll call the function right here. So put a semicolon. Now don't forget to also use the global connections so that you won't have errors when calling that. Okay, so just make sure you have that there. So let's go test what we have now. So just go to your browser. Alright, so we go down to update.php here. Alright, so we're gonna test that now. So we want to update 6. So just put the IP man. So just put some nonsense word there and we click on it. Okay, so it seems it went successfully. So let's go check our database. So just put that here. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. We are using the login underscore app. Okay, so we see that it's actually updated. So I'm not going to make this video long, so that's all we need to do for this particular section. So in our next session, I'm going to show you how to delete records and data that you have inside the table. All right, thank you for your time, and bye for now.